Guys, have you seen those new lightning connector things? You know, from Apple? But here's one, and I have no idea about these things. You know, you have the standard USB port on it, like usual. But, you know, they're different from the 30 pin. Ooh, there goes my passing dogs. But, you know, it's different from the 30 pin. That's why I don't get it. And I have something to show you. My dogs are running around like crazy. You know, the 30 pins are different. Well, that's the part I don't get. Why 30 pins, you know, 30 pins are always different from, well, yeah, 30 pins are bigger. That's one thing, they're bigger. Sorry about my computer. I'm gonna block that out, because it's none of your business. But that's just me on the computer drinking water. Hey, I've been watching smashing videos. Wait, okay. I need to show you a video, a thing I just subscribed to, that, you know, he smashes stuff. Like, this is what this is what I'm subscription to. Find it. No. Oh, this is him right here. Garrett College. Sorry if you're reading his name wrong. Sorry if I'm pronouncing your name. Garrett. Yeah. Sorry, Garrett, if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. Oh well, I gotta go. Bye.